Ta pozycja w czołówce najlepszy tenisistek świata jest dla Svitoliny niezagrożona. Andrea Petkowicz w wywiadzie z pierwszą półfinalistką.
Linda is such a big striker, and of course her serve is very tricky, so I had to really be on my toes and trying to really bring extra balls back, and very happy I could finish this match in 2 sets.
What do you think was the difference? Because especially in the first set, everything was so tight. In the second two, you were up, but then she played 2 amazing games. What do you think was the key and the difference today?
Well, in the tiebreak, I think few points decided. I was serving really well, I think, throughout the tiebreak, and then she gave me a few looks on the second, and I was there to take them. So this kind of moments, you know, you try to remind yourself that you practice for this kind of moments, and you need to bring your best game. So very happy also, you know, I could stay focused on the second, because of course very disappointing to lose, to not serve for the match, but yeah, just generally very happy with the performance.
Well, listen, you are much stronger than all of us in these moments, thinking that this is what you train for. Congratulations on that mentality. But on your mentality, I want to ask you, I've known you since you were 16 years old. Now you're a little older, you're more experienced, but I've never seen you not have motivation. And people see these matches and these beautiful courts, but there is the grind, there is how you eat, how you sleep, how you train. Where do you draw that inspiration and the motivation from every single day?
Thank you for the kind words. It's for me important just to bring my very best. As soon as I step on the court, this is the spirit I try to have, and had really difficult end of last year with struggling a little bit mentally. Took some time off and was just trying to enjoy my time with the family. Of course, not an easy task, you know, to balance motherhood, family, and tennis, but so far enjoying it a lot, and I think my fighting spirit is back this year, so very pleased with that.
More than just your fighting spirits, one of the best seasons already for Elina Svitolina, und sie ist im Halbfinale